Hi and welcome back to a new art journaling video. Today I'm playing with a lot of different mediums and I hope you will enjoy it. I start by adding some marks with metallic oil pastels from Sennelier. The oil pastels will resist the watercolors I will add on top. The right side of my art journal is covered with the negative piece of a sheet of label stickers, and these were printed with the Gelli plate. I will link you up to a video tutorial where I did this on the top right corner. I recognize that watercolors don't work well in my art journal. This is the one from Marabu and the quality of the paper is really bad. It soaks up the paint immediately and you don't have a chance that the paint will flow. When this journal is finished, I would like to get a new big journal, and I would love if you give me some tips about the journals you are using and if they are good for watercolors. I close my pages to transfer the paint to the other side. I'm adding white gesso with a palette knife. I used the paint from Anthology together with a stencil from STAMPlorations to add some texture to the page. I'm adding more color with acrylic paint. I'm using Neocolor crayons to draw some flowers. These are the Neocolor II ones and these are water soluble. I'm using a black watercolor pen to give them some outlines. I'm placing 2 of the label stickers to the other side to create more flowers. I apply a layer of gel medium on top to make sure that they don't come off. After heat setting everything, I go in with a Neocolor Crayon 1 to add more details to my flowers. These are melting really nice on the page when it's hot. These wax pencils are not water soluble. I'm dipping the watercolor pencil into water to get an even darker line. I'm adding also some journaling. I'm stamping the centers of the flowers to add more interest to the page. This is a nice quote from Robert Dance. To finish up the page, I'm adding printable butterflies. These are my own drawings. I finally add some marks to the page. The title is a printable from Mixed Up Mag. If you are a subscriber, you can download it from the Mixed Up magazine page. And I just add 1 sentiment to each flower. Here is the finished page. I hope you enjoyed the video. Please give me a thumb up and subscribe to my channel. Bye!